What's up, guys? Check it out. So this is a repeat customer. I've cleaned for this customer I think 3 times already, and there's always areas that kind of wick back up. They had some previous owners, had some pets, must be down in the padding or whatever. So I've had to come back and do a post spray here and there just to get rid of that wicking. Really easy. It's just a neighbor's, matter of fact, so really easy to do that. But instead, this time I'm gonna go ahead and boost my pre-spray with some Go Oxy, so some peroxide. So whatever peroxide based booster you have, this is the way you can prevent callbacks and stuff like that. So it's this area right here. It was just this area right here. And I even bonded it last time and still had to come back. So whatever it is, it's definitely in the padding. And you know, the owner realizes that. So I'm gonna go ahead and just boost it. Peroxide prevents from wicking, okay? So I shouldn't have any problem with any kind of wicking. Also a tip, guys, if you're agitating every square inch of a carpet and it doesn't need it, you're wasting time. That's why it's taking so long to do carpet cleaning jobs. So this doesn't need that chemistry. If you got good enough chemistry, it's already encapsulating all the soil. It's bringing that up, separating, ready for extraction. This, just in dark areas and where it's heavily soiled. People say, how do you do all that? All those steps, still clean carpets in the time that you do and make that type of money. Like for instance, this carpet or this job is $340. It's probably gonna take me an hour and a half total by myself. And yes, I did vacuum everything before I started. Alright guys, all finished up. It's now 12:03. Started at 10:05 is when I or 10:35 when I showed up. So exactly an hour and a half. Guys, once you've been doing this every day for a while, you can pretty much call it. So I'll put your ticket at the end of the video, and we'll see you in the next one. Disconnect this and head home. I'm right around the corner for lunch. See you next one. Oh yeah, and if you're thinking about starting a carpet cleaning business, I do offer a course down below all my videos. That drop down right below the title, yeah, hit that and you'll see a link for that and much more.